Exercise 1.2, question 7. Let's read it together. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. So each means one radio set was for rupees 1200. Question is, how much money will remain with her after the purchase? So basically you have a starting money, say you have 10 rupees with you, and then you go and spend say 8 rupees on buying something. So what remains with you? You just subtract, right? So 2 will be your answer. So what we basically have to do is we have to subtract from the total amount, this one in blue, you have to subtract the total that you're spending. So it's 1200 on each radio set. Let's see what we have. So let's write down the first given statement, the money this merchant had with her. Let me write that down. Okay, this is first statement, amount of money the merchant had. Second statement, now I have to write down what is the cost of one radio set. So cost of, and then we'll think about 40. So cost of one radio set, this is equal to rupees 1200. And then you talk about the number of radio sets that you're buying, number of radio sets. This is equal to 40. So therefore, what should be the cost of 40 radio sets? That should be equal to 40 multiplied by the cost of each set, right? You multiply the cost of one set by how many you're buying. So this tells you the first calculation that you have to do. Now this is a very simple calculation. When you calculate, you will get 48,000 rupees. So this is the total cost of 40 radio sets. This is what she has to spend because she has placed this order. Now our final question is how much money will remain with her. So therefore, the money remaining, you can say the money remaining with her is equal to, what do you think that should be? We talked about it in the beginning. You subtract what you spend from what you had. That means all you have to do is you have to subtract from 78,592. From this you have to subtract 48,000. Let's do this calculation. So here I've written the numbers one below the other, and now it's a very simple subtraction. We didn't even need to borrow anything, and our final answer is rupees 30,592, and we're done.